Okay, good afternoon. Today we will read a story about Tinosaurus. What is Tinosaurus? A dinosaur that is too small. We have two words here, the messy and slurpy. You know what is messy? Hindi, diba? Messy. Messy is everything is not in order. Your toys are messy. It's not in order. That means nakakalat. Okay? Slurpy. What is slurpy? Slurpy means when you eat with a sound. Tup, 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 slop, 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 slop. That is slurpy. Okay? The pig eat with a slurpy sound. How does the pig eat? So that is slurpy. Okay? So we will read about Tinosaurus. Tinosaurus, of course, dinosaurs are big. Everybody knows that. Tingnan mo. But this dinosaurs but there is just one dinosaur that was so small. Very small. Okay, dinosaur wasn't much bigger than a cat. You see that? So nobody took much notice of him. Oh, cute. So this dinosaur is cute. You see? Mas maliit pa siya sa cat. The other dinosaurs stomped around from tree to tree, making everything shake. Okay, dinosaurs from tree to tree, shake nila yung mga trees. You always know when there is dinosaur around when the trees start to shake. Dinosaurs didn't stomp around. Oh, this is Tinosaurus. Didn't stomp around. He just curled up and waited for those great big dinosaurs to pass him by. And not only did those great big dinosaurs make the trees shake, they also stretch up high and eat the leaves. Eat nila yung leaves ng mga trees, yung mga big dinosaurs. Dinosaurs couldn't do that. Eh, di ba maliit siya? He couldn't eat the trees. Dinosaurs also couldn't make the trees shake, even a little bit. Dinosaurs couldn't stretch up high enough to eat the leaves for the fruits, but Tinosaurus knew exactly what to do. So what he will do? The big dinosaurs never saw the Tinosaurus followed so close behind them. Nagpa-follow lang siya dun sa mga big dinosaurs. Tinosaurus just waited until the trees stopped shaking. Wait niya lang until mag-stop na yung shake yung trees. And the big dinosaurs stomped off the shake new trees. But as big dinosaurs never ever looked down, they didn't see that so much. Diba big dinosaurs sila? Hindi nila nakikita si Tinosaurus dun sa baba. But they didn't see that so much fruit and so many leaves had fallen to the ground. After they shake the trees, diba? Pag shake mo yung trees na may fruits, malalaglag yung mga fruits. Pero hindi na nila makuha yun. So si Tinosaurus yung nag-benefit. So what a feast came tumbling down from those shaking trees, okay? Nahuhulog sa, ang daming fruits, ang daming fruits ni Tinosaurus. Tinosaurus just sat and waited for the fruits to fall. Hinihintay niya lang mag-fall ang mga fruits down right in front of him. He had to be careful they didn't fall on his head. Pero dapat careful siya. Kasi baka matamaan siya ng fruit sa head niya. Kasi maliit siya. Dinosaurs are very messy eaters. Ano daw? Dinosaurs are messy eaters. Ito na siya, messy. Ano ibig sabihin messy eaters? Makalat. Makalat sila mag-eat. Makalat sila kumain. They really don't bother about what misses their great big mouth. They also make a lot of slurpy noises. Sit properly, anak. Slurpy noises. Paano daw kumain yung dinosaurs? So, pag kumain yung dinosaur, messy, ibig sabihin makalat, and slurpy with sound. It's hard to miss a dinosaur having lunch. But the biggest danger to dinosaurs is getting stepped on. Kailangan hindi siya maapakan ng mga big dinosaurs. Dinosaurs never look where they are going. They head for the next fruit tree and just stomp off. Any small animals on the ground are in great danger. Diba? Lakad sila, mga big sila, so pwede nila maapakan yung mga small animals. Nobody wants to be stomped on by dinosaurs, so Tinosaurus had to be very careful. Tinosaurus stayed behind the dinosaurs. So, para hindi siya maapakan, nagsistay lang siya dun sa likod ng mga big dinosaurs. He listened carefully. When he heard them slurping daw, and felt the tree shaking, he took cover. He tried to find somewhere safe and hide, usually under big shiny leaves. Okay? Then Tyrannosaurus waited and listened. Tago na naman daw siya sa likod ng leaves. Tapos nagli-listen lang siya. It's best to wait until the dinosaur has finished lunch. Wait lang siya until matapos mag-eat ang mga dinosaurs. Paano mag-eat yung dinosaurs? You know when he has finished because the slurping stops. Alam mo daw matapos na dinosaur mag-eat if the slurping sound stops. Paano yung slurping sounds? Mag-stop na yung slurpy sound. Paano yung slurpy sound? Oh, mag-stop na yung slurpy sound. And dinos might great burp. That might burp means that dino is full. Paano pag na-full, nagbo-burp ka, di ba? Paano mag-burp? Ibig sabihin, busog. Di ba? That means the dino is full up and ready for a little sleep. Pag busog na dino, mag-sleep na sila. And whenever that happens, Tyrannosaurus waits a bit longer for the dinosaur to take a few big steps away to lie down and snooze. Then it's Tyrannosaurus' turn to eat the fallen fruit. Kat after daw mag-sleep ng mga big dinosaurs, turn na ni Tyrannosaurus mag-eat. There is no danger of Tyrannosaurus waking up. He lies a long lazy sleep after eating so much. Wala na daw danger kasi mahaba daw sila matulog. So Tyrannosaurus has plenty of time to eat. A dinosaur lunchtime sleep is long. Of course, Tyrannosaurus likes a little sleep after his lunch. Too, but not too near to the dinosaur. If he flicks his tail or switches, it isn't good to be too near. A dinosaur tail switch could flatten a tiny dinosaur easily. Dito pa tingnan. Tyrannosaurus always finds somewhere safe for his sleep, under some leaves, snuggled under a little bush. Okay, not too near but not too far. Naghahanap din daw siya ng matulugan niya, basta malayo dun sa mga big dinosaur. From the sleeping dinosaur, because Tyrannosaurus likes to follow those big dinos. Gusto niya lagi siya nakasunod dun sa mga big dinos. Okay? Because if you can reach up high yourself, it's perfect if somebody else can. So if the end. Okay, natapos ng ating story. So what do we learn? We have two words. We have two new words, messy and slurpy. Can you say the word messy? Messy. Messy. If you don't comb or tie your hair will look so messy. Can you act messy hair? Oh, I have messy hair na. Hindi maayos na hair. Okay, how about the word slurpy? Can you say the word slurpy? Slurpy. 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 She doesn't care at all. She doesn't care. She eat with slurpy sound. How do you eat with slurpy sound? Okay, how do you eat with slurpy sound? Okay, so that means slurpy, that means with sound. Okay, we're done. Thank you, Kat Kat.